Hello friends, today I will show you how you can write your first Hello World app in the React Native. So let's jump into your code editor and write down your code. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel because I am going to create some more exciting videos on the React Native. So now I am going to open my app.js file because this is the file which is the main file which reflects all the data into the our emulator. So I am going to first control A and hit the delete because I am going to write our code from the scratch. The first thing that we need it's actually view, and the second thing which is text, so I am going to import that. So I am going to type import view, and the second thing which is text, and where it's come from, which is from React Native library. So I am going to type from React Native inside the single inverted comma React Native, and after that I am going to create a blank function. So I am going to type const and the app, and inside this function you should return anything. So I am going to type return, and inside this return I am going to use a view component, which is it's actually similar to the our div that we are using in the our HTML projects inside the our HTML pages. So view is actually similar to the div. So I am going to type view, and I am going to close that. Inside that I am going to use our text component. So I am going to type text, and inside that I am going to type hello world, and after that you should actually close this by using semi-comma. And the last thing that we need actually export this app. So I am going to type here export and export default, and what we are going to export, which is our app. So I am going to type app, close this using semi-comma, and delete this first view. We don't need to two times. And in the modern React Native you should import React itself. So I am going to type import React from React, save that code and open the terminal by using control and backtick. Type it here React Native run dash Android, hit the enter, and now you can see here is the hello world, which is the our data, the exact same data what we are typed here. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel because I am going to create more exciting videos on the React Native. So please feel free to subscribe, and if you have any question, let me know in the comment down section.